So what we're looking to do is capture that patient on the early onset of that degenerative process and change the environment of the disc so that it becomes a healthy disc again, bringing healthy cells that have been supercharged in this from the standpoint of being able to resist those harsh environments, and they can begin to communicate and signal and proliferate and scaffold within that environment and bring you back prior to that injury. It's not a steroid injection, it's not an epidural. It's something that's actually, solving the generator of the pain and really treating the environment. And it's designed and built to really repair and regenerate that disc environment to make it a healthy disc. So bring it back prior to the injury, prior to the tear, prior to the laceration, prior to the accident or whatever the case may be. So then you would have a healthy disc. I always use the analogy of paper cut. If you have a paper cut on your finger, you probably just either put some bacitracin on it or neosporin, maybe a Band-Aid at most, but then you don't think about it and it's healed. And you
Okay.
don't worry about, well, how long is it maintained being healed, right? It's just healed. So it's the same concept in the spine. If a disc has a laceration or a tear, well, it's not going to heal on its own because of the toxic environment that we talked about. But if you could figure out a way of healing it because you're bringing the blood flow, the circulation, the anti-inflammatory properties, the ability to regenerate and scaffold those cells and heal that tear, well, the disc becomes healthy again. So why wouldn't it be healthy in a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, so long as you haven't re-injured it?